Responsible digital citizenship refers to the positive, safe, and appropriate use of the Internet and social media. It involves using social media safely and respectfully, following online etiquette, and being knowledgeable about digital rights and responsibilities to ensure effective communication. Number 1. Share knowledge. Being actively participating in the online community. Educate others foster environment where everyone can learn and grow. Learning efficiency. Use social media to learn educational content and connect with experts. Think before you click. Everything you post is your responsibility. Think, is it true? Is it helpful? Or is it inspiring? Connect with your friends. Socialize, talk, laugh with your friends, and limit your screen time. Time management. Do new things, limits distraction, and enhance productivity.
Together, let's be a responsible digital student.